Hello friends, today I wanted to let you know about AMG GTR. What happening if the battery is die completely? I had this issue last night. My car for I believe that 1 week, something like that, I didn't drive. That's why the battery drained completely. After that, whenever to touch to any button, to open up the door or trunk, no, you are not available to do that because completely die. Whenever is die, the bad problem is the trunk is not opening to reach to the charger to charge the car. That's why this is the bad situation about that. They should put a button to release the door, but no, you don't have anything around here to open the door. Open the trunk. That's why fortunately the door was unlocked. That's why I could open the door. In this, you don't have any way. With this charger, this is the garbage. This is the original Mercedes-Benz original charger, but this is garbage. I had McLaren, the same charger, but this is very weak. It's not powerful to charge your battery. Whenever you plug them to inside, giving error message because it's not powerful. But just what I did do, I just connected. I went from here to back section to connect this one, but no, unfortunately it didn't work at all. Just what I did, I released the hood. Right now I have battery, but last night no. And whenever you release the hood, oh my god, it's too your battery in here, okay, your car battery here, you have to release the screws. After that you have to remove the cover. Underneath, this side is positive, that side is negative, don't forget, okay. This charger is not work for you, just forget about this. You have to have this charger. Let me show you. This is not the charger, this is the jumper, battery jumper, okay. This is the best of the best in market. We don't have better than this. Very compact and very powerful. Comes with the with cable. Do you see? With the cable to charge the battery. This is the red. This is the red to the red, black to the black. Okay, and after that, automatically the electric back to the car, and you can jump to start the car. Just start the car for 1 or 2 minutes, okay. Just leave it for 2 minutes to charge the battery a little bit. After charge battery a little bit, you can shut off the car, turn off the car, and after that you can trunk. After you come here, okay, do you see you have charger? Just you can charge, but I don't recommend this charger because after I get a little bit charge in the battery of the car, whenever I connect the original charger to the car, after 1 hour is burning out. Whenever you touch to the charger, your finger get burned out. Extremely get heat. Why? Because it's not powerful. It's not good for this battery. When the battery is too low, it's getting too heat, That's why my recommendation, just go and buy this one. This is the best charger. I used this charger for McLaren, and most of my supercar I use this one. This is the best one, and also you can see how many percent you have charged in the display, and very powerful. I mean, twice powerful than that one, and never get heat up. Why? Because have protection for heating and have fan on it. Whenever you're charging, the fan is working. That's why never get heat up, and charging much faster than that one. I mean, whenever your battery is too low, it's not charging at all, the OM charger. But this charger, no, this is the best charger. I mean, it's take about 2 hours to fully charge the car, 2 or maximum 3 hours to charge the car. After charge, you can see here it says full. That's why my recommendation, go buy this charger. This is just my read. This is the best charger in the market for supercars. That's why. But sometimes no, sometimes the door is locked. But I was lucky because the door was unlocked. That's why I could open the hood and charge the battery. But whenever it's locked, just you have to do one thing. Do you see the key? This is the key, okay? You have to push all the way inside. I mean, very stupid design. Shame of you, Mercedes. Shame of you. Do you see? This is not the key section. And after that, just pull a little bit your handle, okay? Do you see? Whenever you pull, because I have a camera in my hand, I cannot to do anything. You have to, okay, you have to push this way, okay, this way. Whenever you push this way, it's popped the cover. Whenever pop the cover, your key in here, okay? That's all. I mean, oh, okay, you have to unlock the door and you can open the hood, okay? That's all. I mean, it's not very bad design, honestly, very bad design about door handling, because I had McLaren much more easier, because McLaren underneath in here easily you can release the door, but here no, have cover on it. If you do 2-3 times, get a scratch on it, get damaged, okay? But you don't have any way. I mean, you have to do this one to release the door. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me. Please like, subscribe my channel, and have a wonderful day.